Hello kids, let's learn the opposite words. This is a hot, cold, hot, cold. Day, night, day, night. Sweet, sour, sweet, sour. Light, heavy, light, heavy. Front, back, front, back. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Near, far, near, far. Full, empty, full, empty. Open, close, open, close. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty. Short, tall, short, tall. Above, below, above, below. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Left, right, left, right. Laugh, cry, laugh, cry. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Summer, winter, summer, winter. Sit, stand, sit, stand. Village, town, village, town. Water, land, water, land. Bye bye everyone. Keep learning and keep practice.